A new feature introduced in 3ds Max 2013 is the new release of Mental Ray, native rendering engine, now at the 3.10 version. This last release features not only improvements, but also a little change on its name, that you can notice from the render setup window. In fact, we can see the name NVIDIA. This just because the famous hardware manufacturer has acquired Mental Images, developer of Mental Ray, in order to realize a perfect rendering engine for its GPU, especially for the ones which features the CUDI architecture. As the new 2013 release of 3ds Max is available, I decided to make a little test. I created this very simple scene. We have some 3D elements, a floor, 4 walls and a solar system. All is seen from a standard camera. The materials are simple too. We have a concrete milled material for the walls and the floor, a satin finished aluminum for the teapots. Previously the recording of this text, I launched a rendering test. The first one inside 3ds Max 2010, the A version, rendered with Mental Ray 3.9. The B version with 3ds Max 2013 saw with the version 3.10 of Mental Ray. First of all, we notice that the materials are rendered in a different way. Probably this happened due to the routing of the standard shaders. The really interesting aspect on which I want to focus is the elaboration time. The image realized with Mental Ray 3.9, so with 3ds Max 2012, took 2 minutes and 18 seconds, respect to the version rendered with Mental Ray 3.10, so with 3ds Max 2013, which took 2 minutes and 26 seconds. As first impression, we could say that the new release of Mental Ray is lower than the previous one. But if you analyze well the satin finished aluminum material rendered with 3ds Max 2013, you see that it's more complex with respect to the one made with 3ds Max 2012. This one looks more to a chrome plating with a light satin finish, so made with more calculation of ray trace respect to the one of 3ds Max 2013, which seems a real satin finished aluminum, which require a more complex calculation and so it requires more time. As a consequence, I can share the opinion of other users that this last release of Mental Ray 3.10 is more powerful, fast and stable respect to the previous one. I can also notice that this noise is less present in the version rendered with 3ds Max 2013. Without any doubt, this is a good improvement on Mental Ray, which can be a great renderer for photorealistic images.